Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I did today because it's a lot. You would think that just pulling weeds is like an easy task, and no, it's not. This is the exact reason why I got rocks for everything, because just the sections that I have that I needed to pull all quiet to pull all the weeds from, like this whole area I did today. Okay, so I started here and I needed to put all the rocks in the lava rocks, those red lava rocks, because if I leave it like this, that cat is gonna come here and start pooping again. But I am running out of rocks. I'm hoping that I have another bag somewhere. And so these dogs are barking at me because that's my neighbor, and so that they don't bark at me, I usually give them a snack. So now they're asking me for a snack. Anyway, so I added these ones. Okay, this was here before, which is nice. This one is a what is that one? Anyway, I'll give you the names because I forget right now. And then that is, yeah, I forgot that too. But those are ghost plants. Also easy to remember. And then I added this one. I'm going to give you the names of that because I forgot. But this I know. This is why am I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. Okay, this one, oh no, I remember this one. This is a cute name too. What is the name of this one? Hold on. Okay, because I don't remember all the names right this minute, I'm just gonna keep going. And so I still need, so if you look over here, like half are weeded and half have so much weeds. Dudleya right here. A little bit. It's been a little bit banged up because of the grass clippings that just sat there. Then it rained and all that. So all in all though, it's all coming along, except for I have to keep going because I have to keep putting more plants there. It's a little bit of a positive that I got these weeds, because now I can see like what parts are still needing more plants and what parts are still very empty, the empty space and everything. And there's still kind of a bald spot like that right there. That's a big bald spot right there. So by the time I get done with the whole thing, it's gonna take me another probably 2 days to get this all done and filled in. By that time, it'll be ready for the spring, and hopefully the rain will come and will give it a little bit more, make it look a little bit more full. So look at that, all grass. The guy that did this, what happened was they chopped off all the grass and they flipped it all over there. Didn't even clean it or anything like that, just left it there. So now I'm left with pulling out these weeds, but hopefully by the time I'm done, it's one and done. And then I have these ones over here that's still kind of struggling, but I'm kind of happy about the white ones. The white Sprite. I gotta redo this, get some taller plants to just give it a little bit of height. So I have my work cut out for me, then there's a lot of weeds over here too, but this one is a little bit fuller, like all the Ioniums. It's like an Ionium garden now. They're all the big Ionium. This is gonna get dormant in the summertime, so it's gonna be a little bit less full. Ionium, 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 Ionium. And yes. Oh shoot. Okay, I don't like this part right here. This tree is throwing out a lot of these flower things. I don't like that. That's a no-no. That's a no-no. But it's time for me to water these plants because it's dry now. And I don't know when it's gonna rain again.